how to install the shower head with the existing ball joint of the shower. It's pretty simple. Our shower heads usually come with a ball and socket joint of its own. So what you have to do is, on your shower arm, you remove the little thread and attach our shower directly. Fairly simple. You can use a spanner. In most cases, your hand is enough. You remove this all the way, store it away for later usage if you have to. You take the shower head and you attach it on there. We include a spanner along with our installation kit. You can use the spanner to tighten it. And there you go. Enjoy your shower.